Hello everyone, my name is Rodney and I'm from Formula Lookout, and in today's video we're going to go through a use case posted by a Monday user in the Monday community. So from here we can see here that the Monday user needs to aggregate or like produce duplicates of what is available on from her boards to a summary board. So we see here that they set up 4 boards for 4 regions. It's like a client directory, all right, and then she also wants a summary of it. All right. So what we're gonna do is we're going to help out the Monday user because they're having problems pulling data from the existing boards using the mirror column. Well, if you have a mirror column, you would have a connect boards column that is native in Monday, but for some reason they're having problems. And this was just posted like almost a day ago. So it's 14 days, 14 hours ago. So we have recreated the use case here on our board exactly the way that it is described. So we have 4 boards for 4 regions, all right, and we have clients. This is the client name, the client number, the we have the person assigned to that client, and we have the client address, and then we also have summary for all regions, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to, while we recreate it, we will also solve that concern not by using mirror column but by using an app called Same Item Multiple Boards by Formula Lookout. This is how it looks like if you haven't installed that yet. Same Item Multiple Boards look like this. It has a lot of downloads already and also a 5-star flat rating. So just go ahead and install that. Once you have installed that, then you'll be able to use the app in all of your boards. All right, so first we're going to go through a first scenario. So a common scenario in this situation might be that she has the user might have existing entries or items or clients on their board. So we did that here in the Oregon directory, and what we want to do is have it appear on the summary, right? So without using connect boards column and mirror columns for the particular columns that she wants mirrored, what we're going to do is we're going to add that to the summary, and we're going to sync it using Same Item Multiple Boards. We're going to do that by clicking here to select all and then click on apps. Right, and then you'd have this. I have 3 because I'm part of the development team, so just click on the first one. You'd have just one. I mean, if you were downloaded it and just installed it. When you install it, or if you haven't gone through the authorization yet, in this screen you'd go through the authorization. So it's just asking to authorize the app to use your Monday board or to make changes. If you have some questions, you can also click on this chat widget. Right, so this time what we're going to do is we're going to add this to another board, right? And then we're going to search for it. Summary, it's already filtered the results, and we're going to have it linked here. Alright, so what it's doing right now is that it's adding that and syncing any changes that you will do moving forward to the items that you will have, the second board that you'll have this item to. That's why it's saying that it's living on another board. Alright, so I did some tests earlier in here, so that's why there's three boards in here. It's just all the same board actually. All right, so there you go. Let's see the summary. It's appearing in there. All right, so that's great. So let's put in some numbers, all right, to see how it syncs with the other columns. This one, okay, and address. Okay, let's check the addresses, and numbers and address are all working. All right, not only that, but when you have the Same Item Multiple Boards, you can actually sync the updates as well. So that's not available with mirror column, but with Same Item Multiple Boards, you can have the updates sync. Okay, so you're all on the same page. Because it's the same item living on multiple boards. All right, so this time what we're going to do is you would have like new items, or maybe you have some items or clients that you don't want to not for syncing, right? Maybe you have that syncing client, and we have additional client for syncing. So let's just choose another Aeropostale. All right, so this one is for syncing. This one is not for syncing. All right, so in summary, of course, you wouldn't have that there. You can choose your client or the items to sync by adding same item multiple boards in the item view. I have it here because it's already installed, but if you don't have that yet, then just click on the add view and search for same item multiple boards and then add to item. Right, and just the same process, add this item to another board, and you're going to go through that. All right, here, here, and then here. So you'll have that appear on the summary board without having the other items appearing. All right, so you can choose actually. There you go. Another good thing about this is on the item view, we already have this functionality, right? Shared sub items. You can click that on, and then if you have some items for the client, if you're using it, sub 1, there's number 1 here indicating that there's a sub item. You'd also have that here. There you go. So you can see that it's already appearing. Let's just wait for it to sync. Okay. Okay, let's go back and let's check. Okay, so the sub items feature version of our features in this version is a new push to the production. So we're adding it to the other like in the select all. So right now it's already in the item view. All right, so let me demonstrate one more thing. Let's say you have you just want anything that's added here be added to the summary. All right, so you wouldn't want to select all items every time, or maybe click on the item view. What we're going to do is to integrate a workflow integration by clicking on integrate. Okay, and then just look for same item multiple boards again. Sometimes it takes time to load up, so just wait for it. This one. And then we're looking to add this workflow integration when an item is created. Also add this to board or group. So let's use that template, and then we're going to customize it. So what we're going to do is we'll pull up the recipe or the workflow integration. Just specify the board and also specify the board and the group you want any item added or created to this board to sync to the other board. All right, so let's do that so that we can demonstrate that. So that's summary, all regions, and then we have this summary. Okay, so add to board. So now the California board would have any item, California item client 1, or let's say California Burger King. Okay, so we didn't do anything yet, right? We didn't click on except that we have made the workflow integration. Let's check in the summary. It should appear there. There you go. So same process, same features. Any column changes will sync. Any updates will also. Oh, by the way, the updates also sync as well. So I think I've demonstrated that with the McDonald's. Okay, so again, this is Rodney from Formula Lookout. I hope that this video has been helpful for those looking to sync items or want to have items live on multiple boards for their Monday account. Okay, so have a nice day and thanks everyone.